All right, so now what you do is log in. As soon as you let it load up, you go to Spike Prime, click on it. So as you click on it, click on units. And we are looking for, actually, no, hold on. Let's go to home. And we're looking for get started. Is that it? Get started? Yes. So you click get started. So you go to get started. That is right here. And just click start. So as you click start, now we're ready to go. And let me get everything that needs to happen. Okay. There we go. Good. I'm glad it's charged. All right. So we click on light matrix. And it says step one, learn how to maintain a smiley face, how to display a smiley face. So they're now going to get us to click into the hub. Let me actually show my camera, which hopefully it's all good to go. If I can, there we go. There we go. And don't mind, oh yeah, I need to get that up too, hold on. There we go. That looks better, doesn't it? Okay, there we go. Okay. So now we have to connect it to the hub. So first thing we're gonna do, which I think we might need some light. Hold on. Looking kind of better. Now let me just, yeah, there we go. So I just do this. So what we're gonna do is click on connect to your hub. Then we're gonna click this Bluetooth. And now we're just gotta wait a little bit. Hopefully they named it properly because they said this is 13. The good news is that for you, you might be starting out. And if you're starting out, you only just have one that's popping up. If you are continuing from the last time, you already see the name of the one that you're looking for. And if it doesn't happen, you just exit out and go back in. There it is. All right, we're good to go. All right, next is the program that display a smile. Program that, oh, good, all good. Okay, so we're just going to do what it says, which is we're gonna put when program starts, and then we're gonna get light. Then after that, we press the play button and note that you're able to change this 0 to 19, all the way to 19. So you could choose any number. So all we got to do is press the yellow button. I have to wait for one minute. I did. There we go. And as you can see, it does actually display a smiley face. There we go. And you can change the pattern on it, which is good. But I think we were able to go from this. So play is the new light pattern. So you can have fun with this. If you want to, you can dwell on it. You can enjoy, but we still have more to go. So with that done, now we got to get a motor. Now we're going to focus on the motor. So first things first, we got to find a motor. So hopefully by now, which I guess we should just go back. Now I'll just do this. By now, even though this is not good, you hopefully have things all ready to go. Yeah, this one's like really like, oh no. But yeah, this is fairly new. I don't know why, but it's fairly new. So don't hold it against me. I hope they don't hold it against me anyway. So here is the motor. So we're just gonna take it out, which hopefully you're able to open it. Hopefully you opened it. So after you do that, then you're gonna learn how this motor works. So we got to put it in port A. So notice that we have, oh yeah, right here. So I know you can't really see it. It's kind of hard to see it yet, even in person, but you kind of, there we go. So you see there's port A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Or actually A, B, C, D, E, F. They want you to put it in port A right here. So the upper right corner, upper left. So as soon as we do that, we click the next arrow. And now remember always, you're just making sure you understand that when program starts is always what you need to have. Now, as you can see, this is how you make a motor run. You could do it for both motors, but it's okay to just do it for one motor. And now I can press the play button. And I'm just going to show you this. There you go. See? And it's a good idea, which I think out of the box it does this. It's actually connected with the O and the plug here. I'll just pray it one more time. There you go. And now you can change the speed, and they want to change the speed to 75%. Yeah, notice that it can go faster. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Now 7 play the button to turn it faster, which we already did. So we did that. And now we're good to go. We're done with this. Now we're looking for the color sensor. Which I really hope they don't hold it against me. Next one is the color sensor, which we'll just take this out. And I'm pretty sure at this point, I need to get some extra materials because I don't want to open everything for them. So I'm just going to grab this and I'll show you what one that actually looks like when you order it, which you should have it done, but just in case you need to know what it looks like. When it's all said and done, this is what it looks like. Yes, all organized. And I think I actually do not have a red available because I'm using it over there. So I'm going to skip on some of it. But the good news is that even though I'm skipping on it, you're still able to see what they're trying to do. So let's see. They want us to put it on the A slot again, and look, it's glowing. All right. Yep, put it in the A port. And now we're dragging this. So this is how, notice that this start is different from the other one because this one actually starts when the color sensor senses something. But for me, I have to pick magenta or blue. That's the only ones I get to click. So that's all right. No one can see it. So you look at that. Oh yeah, you can't see. Okay, so here we go. There we go. Notice that the magenta, I'm using the magenta, and it actually showing it on the face. Good. And now we can, I already did it. I already showed you that we can change color because I don't have red on me. So now here's blue. And now we can save it. You could actually say that on the field, since it is white, you could actually just put it as white and it'll actually move by itself. Of course, you have to have something underneath it, of course. Oh yeah, you can't really see that. Oh, sorry about that. You guys can't actually see it. It's too small for you. Yeah, sorry about that. Let me just do one thing. There you go. So sorry about that. So as you can see, this is doing it for, but hopefully you can see it in big left corner. Sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, notice that there is a smiley face that you can see. And all the other ones that happened, you most likely did notice it too. At least I hope so. Okay, so back to sharing screens. Yes, I can't do it, so I'm sorry, I can't do it. All right, now next is the ultra sensor. Ultra, this no distance sensor, which I really hope they don't hold this against me. I really hope they don't hold this against me. Okay, so we got the ultra sensor. All right, have the ultra sensor. Okay, so I need to put this on A again. So notice that A is a favorable spot for them. So I'll put it in A. And now it says that 20 centimeters. You can see up top, right? You can see up top what's going on. 20 centimeters, and now you see that it's up to 4 centimeters. I can't actually make it do any more than that. And of course, it can make sounds, but it can't make as much sounds as it used to. Here's a play button. If you want, you could actually make this into a beat game. Yes, I shouldn't say that, but okay, anyways, there you go. And that's pretty fun. I could actually do that. And now we can change it to 20%, so you can change the numbers. You could even change the sound if you want. Hopefully you knows it and then you play the stop button. Okay. So that's it. That's all that's needed for that one. So hopefully this is not too much. Even though you can't see the left-hand corner, hopefully you kind of can see it in its perspective. And hopefully they don't hold it against me to actually open stuff for them. I'm not going to open too much. That's it. It's like, yeah, let it be noted. I'm not opening too much. Okay, next is the force sensor slash this is the touch sensor, but they're calling it force now. So what we need to do is get, okay, so this one needs to be on B. And we need to get the other motor that we had previously. Well, get the motor that we had previously and put it in slot A. Okay, yes, as you can see, slot B, slot A, and now we put this over here. All right, and now we're able to and it doesn't stop though. And it's like, yes, and hold on, let me just show you me doing it, I guess. So here's the button, press 0, click, and there it is, it's spinning. That's what you want. But to stop it, you have to press this button. Or you can press the red button on screen, of course, on the computer. Okay. That's it. That was it. It's like, yeah, this is pretty simple, pretty easy. You might even can join the project team, or maybe someone else who actually wants to be a part of the robot team. It's your turn. Yeah, so make sure you can take turns. Not one person should be doing it and one person's just watching. So now we're going to learn about the gyro system that's inside of this. So notice the fact is inside of it. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna get this. When lifted to the right, it will meow, but the meow sound will come from the actual screen, which means I need to share my sound. Okay, ready. Okay. And now you can change it to where you can go to the left. And notice the fact that you're able to see some cool functions of where this might be useful. Might use it someday. All right, that's good. And play button to test the effect. Yep. So that's everything. There we go. So you're all finished with the tutorials. All right. And that's everything. That's everything when it comes to the robot. And let me just